Let's talk about methods to get data from websites or from electronic or paper files into Excel, Google Sheets, Word, PDF, or any other document format using either Bing Chat, Google Bard, or Claude.ai. And per this graphic right here, you can fast forward in this video to jump to any data access methodology that I'm going to discuss. And we're only going to discuss what Bing Chat, Bard, or Claude does a better job of when it comes to data access using ChatGPT. Also, please note, Bard, Bing Chat, and Claude might not be available in all countries, or it might not be recommended to use in the company that you work for. Method number 1, using the Microsoft Edge browser on a Mac or on a PC, go to any web page you want to access data from. And this is really powerful what I'm about to show you. So let's go to sec.gov to get the most recent quarterly results for Microsoft. So I'll click here on company filings and I'll type here Microsoft. I'll select the company. And then what I'll do is I will select the 8K and the most recent quarterly results right here. I'll open up the press release and I'm going to go down to, let's say, the income statement right here. And let me highlight the income statement. This is pretty cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on what's called Microsoft Copilot here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type, get the income statement I highlighted, and put it into a table. And there's spelling issues there, but that's okay. It's smart enough to correct. Okay. Now what it's going to do is it's going to get all this information, and there's hidden columns here too that's going to get rid of. And it's going to put everything into a table so we can copy and paste it or even download it and put it directly into Excel, Google Sheets, etc. Let me go into high-speed mode. All right, now let me go up here and let me copy this information, and we can go to Excel and paste it in. It's pretty cool, huh? Works out pretty well. And it's got, yeah, it's perfectly lined up. You can obviously copy and paste this directly into Google Sheets as well. You can download the data, you can export it into text or PDF format. I find that it doesn't work that well when you export it this way. You're best off just to copy and paste. All right, let's now close Copilot right here. And let's actually go to Bing Chat. So Bing Chat you can use, of course, in browser mode if you want to. You don't have to have Copilot turned on the side, but Copilot is great actually. It'll even copy text data if you want to. You can simply type, open this up and say, copy the text that's on the screen, even if you don't highlight it. It's pretty cool. It's helpful. Okay. So what you can do is you can even ask Bing to create the table here directly. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Create the income statement in table formats from the September 30th, 2023 quarter for Microsoft. Unbelievable. It's generating it, and it looks like you can edit this in Excel. Incredible. Just amazing. Man, if I had this when I worked on Wall Street, I would get so much more done. You're almost at a competitive disadvantage if you don't use this stuff now. Okay. So you just click here to edit this or download this in Excel. Let's go over to Bard now, and let's try something similar. So Google's Bard product is great if you want to download data directly into Google Sheets. You know, every big company favors their own ecosystem for obvious reasons. So what you can do is you can ask the exact same question if you want to and put it into a table. So I'll do this in high-speed mode, and then we'll put this into Google Sheets. Looks like it did it, but I want the entire income statement. And you can just click here to export to Sheets. Pretty easy to do. All right, let's start a new chat and let's try something else. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste the income statement from here and ask it to put it into a table, similar to what we did earlier, but with ChatGPT. Okay, put this in a table so I can download in Google Sheets formats. There you go. So it gives you several different drafts. That's not helpful. That's not helpful. This one is. So what you can do is you can copy this here and then paste it, or you can export it directly to Sheets. Let me try and copy into Excel just for fun, see what happens. Let me just paste it here, and we'll make the text black. And let's see if this all lines up. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. Yeah. My favorite of the three is definitely ChatGPT, but it's important to use different technologies because they will improve over time, I promise you. And there's certain things you can't do in all of the individual products, which is why you need to use multiple AI products. Let's talk about method number 3, which is called Claude. And Claude's an incredible AI tool for uploading very large files that you can ask questions about. Now, with ChatGPT, there can be some limits on the size of data that you can analyze or upload. And this is why I want to put Claude.ai on your radar screen. So let's go together to Claude.ai. And what I'm going to do just for now is I'm going to upload a very simple file that I created called Income Statement Annual Numbers. Right here is what the Income Statement Annual Numbers PDF looks like. So let me go and grab that really quickly in high-speed mode. And now what I'm going to do with this PDF here is I'm going to type, show me this in a table. And it's really fast, actually. So it grabbed everything in that table that I just uploaded and put it in that PDF file I just uploaded and put it into table format here. Really, really powerful. Yeah. And again, you can upload massive files to Claude, up to 10 megs, I believe, at this point, and ask questions, and it'll give you real-time feedback. And it's unbelievable if you want to upload an S1 document that you downloaded or an annual report and just ask quick questions. It's a lot of fun to play around with. I recommend checking it out.